Legends, welcome back to the channel. We're still in Adelaide, staying at the Brighton Beach Caravan Park. It's an awesome caravan park. It's affordable and it is beautiful. This is probably one of the nicest caravan parks we've ever stayed in since we started this trip. The O'Halloran Trails are just up this hill. I've heard a few good things about them. It's not that far away from here. So as far as trail towns go, this town is sick as, and I'm hoping the trails are rad too. Can't wait to get up there and check these trails out. So let's get up this hill. Oh, we are at O'Halloran Hill. There's a BMX track at the top here and it looks like it's off its head. Yes. Oh, the views are sick and we've just rocked up. I'm so keen to check out these two trails here, Shapeshifter and Fight Club. So the little descriptions here say Fight Club is a very difficult and fast park style descent with large berms, jumps, gaps and transitions. This trail is only suitable for advanced riders, so that's not me, and is ideal for practicing slope style riding. That sounds intense. Shapeshifter, this 700 meter O'Halloran Hill favorite, has had a makeover. Old style, hand built, downhill features and rock sections, descending only. That sort of sounds like more me. To get there, we're going to take Future and Options, Cruisy Green, and I lost it, and Flat Pedal City. Oh man, we've been kissed on the dick with the weather. It is a perfect day. These trails surround an archery club and a gun club. Flat Pedal City. This foot out, flat out trail leads to the intermediate / advanced descent junction and features small optional gaps. I like the sound of that. Flat Pedal City. So, I imagine it's going to be pedally. Oh yep, there's a jump. Oh, little case. Woo! Yeah, oh, pretty cool. I missed that one. Oh, it's pedally. Where are we going? Or is that it? Hey, oh, the ocean views. It's good for the soul. Let's start with Shapeshifter. Hopefully get a little loose before we have a crack at the jump trail. Right, Shapeshifter is to the left. Oh, we got the headwind. Oh, yeah. All right, we can do this one. Yeah, oh. Oh, it's loose. Oh, foot out. Sick. Drop. Yeah. Oh, yes. Oh, a big nasty rock there. Oh, oh, it's super loose. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's loose. Oh, yeah. What's this? Stuck to flat. Sort of. Step out. Done. Wow, this is sick. I think I held my breath the whole way. All right, we'll head up Upstart and then up Uprising. I should be able to remember that. Oh yeah, that was super rocky and pretty harsh. When I get back up to the top, I'll let out a little bit of pressure in the tyres, I think. This is a nice climb. Not too steep, just cruising. Oh, first climb done. For your average mountain biker, it probably wouldn't be that bad, but for your not so average rough dog, it's still not that bad, but it's a bit of a grind. Man, I wish I was pretty. I wish I was one of those athletes. Actually, let me reword that. I wish I could just work out and look amazing. was so sick. It would have been amazing when it was first built. Probably one of the, oh, I think I'm gonna spew. Probably one of the jankiest flow trails I've ever ridden. Are we done? We need to do it again. Yeah, we do. And if you're wondering what happened to my first run down Fight Club, so am I. My camera decided to stop recording, or just not save the footage at its own discretion. No beeps, no warnings, nothing. The first run down Fight Club has vanished. Thankfully, my second run was recorded. Back to the show. All right, more speed. Yo! Come on. It's rocky, but you can still pump it. Yes! So sick. Oh, yo! Oh, I'm cooked. This is that one. Yeah, that was better. Woo! It's a roller. Yo, I love this jump. Yes! Yes! Oh, so fun. It's like a fine wine, it gets better with age. That was rad. so sick. All right, I'm gonna hit this climb again, and then it's time for Blue Luge, and then down to the beautiful town of Seacliff for a nice cold beverage. Oh no, I didn't say last run though. I just said I'm going to ride Blue Luge. It'd be really stupid of me if I did, but I didn't. Also, thanks so much to all the subs lately. Since the last video, it's gone up a fair bit. I credit a lot of that to running into Nigel out at Eagle. He's an absolute legend. Check out his channel. And if you're into like vintage mountain bikes, check his channel. I think what he's doing on YouTube is very unique in this space, and I haven't really seen anything like it. So give him a sub. Check out his channel. I think I've actually got lots for him. My missus is like, would you shut up about Nigel? I'm like, I can't. Let's get on this fucking mountain. This is the last run of the day. We'll hit Blue Luge. I don't know anything about this trail, so let's see what this one's all about. Oh yeah. Woo! Oh, the brake and bumps are real. Yeah, boy. Hey, this is actually very sick. Oh, nice. Oh, it's really janky. Woo! Oh, very cool. Oh. Is that a line? Oh, sorry. Oh, sick. So smooth. Yo. Oh, so good. Yeah, dude. Oh, that was so nice. Okay, we're back on. A couple of loose bundies there. Woo! Yo, oh, step up. Yeah, oh, nice. Huck to flats. Manual finish it off. Yeah, ah, that was fun. That was a lot funner than I expected. That was good. That was a rad little ride. And the best thing about this is it's going to be a roll mostly downhill back to the beach. So I'm sure we can find somewhere where we can practice our manuals. Oi! Got a little scared then. Woo! Oh, manual with a view. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Woo! I'm still manning with the view. Oh, the view. Dude, this is where we're staying. This is so sick. And that's where we're staying down there. There's my caravan down there.
Big naked man just ran out of my caravan.
That's it. I've got to get home. Oh, yes, boy. Woo-hoo-hoo.
What a waste!
Oh, no.